everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a tiramisu cake. No oven, no cooking. And it's perfect for New Year celebrations. Let's make it together. First, pour the cream into a bowl. Add the sugar and mix gently with a spoon. Then place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So it gets nice and cold and ready to whip. After taking it out the freezer, whip the cream with a mixer until it becomes thick, fluffy, and turns into perfectly whipped cream. Now add the mascarpone cheese to a bowl. Add the vanilla to cocoa powder. Then mix everything well until it's smooth and creamy. Now, gently add the whipped cream to the mascarpone mixture. Fold it in carefully until everything is combined. Dissolve the instant coffee in hot water and let it sit for a little while to cool down before using. Choose a 15 cm pan and place a sheet inside. This will help Ladyfinger biscuits stand upright while we assemble the cake. Pour a little whipped cream onto the base of the pan and smooth it out. This will help the Ladyfinger biscuits stay in place easily. Place the Ladyfinger biscuits upright inside the pan, all around the edges. Make sure they stand nicely in place. Dip the remaining Ladyfingers into the coffee we prepared. Place them on the bottom of the pan. Then spread some cream over them. Repeat this process to build the layers nicely. Next, let the cake chill in the fridge until ready to serve. I hope you really enjoy making this cake with me. If you like it, please give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends if you think they'll enjoy it too. And let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Since it's New Year, I just want to wish you a happy and delicious start to 2026. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.